Welcome to today's trading session, and today we'll trade gold. Approach is pretty straightforward, as I always have. Once prices are above trend line, I go short. That's simple swing and trend trading strategy, but it really works if you know how to have good timing and risk management tools. So let's get straight into it and start to trade. Now our first trade will probably be a long trade because prices are above the trend line. So let's adjust our options expiry and go long. Okay, our first trade was profit. So let's see what markets will bring us now. Now we have prices very close to the trend line, but still they are above the trend line. So that means we will go long. So let's adjust our time frame and options expiry and go long. It was very close, but we booked profit. So let's go to our third trade. We are clearly seeing upwards move, and let's adjust our time frame and go up. Options expire in that time frame, but still you get an idea. Okay, our third trade with the profit, and let's see whether we'll have a couple of good more trades. Okay, markets are slightly above the trend line, which means we have to go long. It was really close, but we made some profit. Okay, last trade today, and we have to go short because markets are below that trend line. Unfortunately now this is break-even trade because we were at the trend line, but I will close this trading session with 4 profitable trades and 1 break-even trade because markets are really choppy and it's really difficult to trade in this way because we don't have strong price action. But still, we made some money, we were ahead, and what we conclude today. There are times when markets are really strong with up move or downwards move where we could just trade in one direction and make money. And there are choppy moves like that where we barely could make any real profit opportunities. But what's important is to make money overall. So this is what I'm doing here now, and this is what I showed you. Simple moving average strategy, good market timing with short expiry date, and correct risk management. And pocket options for that matter, because trade executions is rather smooth and efficient. So let's stay tuned for my next video. Bye.